Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint Forecast Center. Now, a link on this Monday night, almost midnight. It's been a long day and a long night. Still tracking, well, it depends on where you lived right now at almost midnight. Some rain and sleet in some areas and drizzle. Other spots still holding on to some wet snow. But the general theme here is that this is all going to switch over to some rain and sleet during the overnight hours. You may pick up a few more inches in the northwest part of the state. As far as snowfall tells what has fallen, wow. Very hyper-local. Some spots getting the expected foot, other areas lower amounts. And there was such a tight gradient between the further west you went and the further east you went. So, you know, over the smallest state in the country, there's this wide range of accumulations. But coming in at Richmond, at a foot of snow, Smithfield 9, West Warwick 7, North Smithfield 8, Riverside 2.5. Now I know Foster at 11 o'clock had 11 inches. West Greenwich, Western Kent County had 11 inches as well. Take a look at, well, there you go, there's Foster at 6. Woonsocket coming in between 6 and 7 inches. I just saw a report out of Smithfield, North Smithfield, of 10 inches. Cranston, if you're Western Cranston, you were a little higher. Eastern Cranston, the amounts were a little lower, but it was between 6 and 8. Providence, only about 3-4 inches, and Pawtucket between roughly 2 and 3 inches of snow. New Bedford picked up like 1 to 2. So the accumulation forecast, and this has pretty much been realized already. And what we ended up doing is the amounts in southeastern Mass were really trimmed back because of the mild air taking over out in here. So it was one of those, western suburbs right in this spine, right in here where the air was cold enough, including Richmond, which is right about here, 8 to as much as 12 inches of snow. You may get another inch out of this overnight along the Route 95 corridor, including West Warwick, 4 to 8, and then further south and east 2 to 4, and then nothing on the Cape. So that's the tight gradient. Winds were gusting as expected, 40, 45, close to 50 miles an hour with this storm. Peak wind gust today meaning Monday. Still some reduced visibility in Providence. It's mostly some rain and sleet right now. As we take a look at what's ahead now through the overnight, wet snow switching to sleet and rain Tuesday morning through noontime. It's mostly rain showers, actually, as temperatures will be above freezing. And then tomorrow afternoon is kind of just some rain showers, maybe mixed with a little bit of wet snow. Our storm, it's a slow mover. It's off the New Jersey coast, and it's going to spin off our coastline tomorrow, too. So while tomorrow's not a stormy day, the storm is close enough to throw back light moisture on Tuesday, mostly in the form of rain showers. But once we get into Tuesday evening, Tuesday night, it'll actually switch back over to snow showers. And there's the area of low pressure. And in that position, it was throwing back milder air off the Atlantic. That's why a lot of southeastern Mass ended up being mostly rain. So the forecast overnight through, this is Tuesday morning, 7 a.m. Most areas, in fact, all areas are above freezing. So mainly rain showers or drizzle. Afternoon, scattered rain showers. But notice late day, it goes below freezing. Puddles and slush are going to freeze solid. It'll actually switch over to snow showers Tuesday evening, Tuesday night, light snow showers. So here's Tuesday morning. Your temps are actually above freezing in most areas. Light rain showers or drizzle, cloudy skies. Tuesday afternoon, clouds, gusty. Any light rain showers may transition back to light snow showers by late day and into the early evening. There's your 7-day outlook. Could be a couple of snow showers Wednesday morning, not a big deal. Not bad for Thursday. Look at the temp on Friday, 44, no snow there. Some rain showers. And looking at the latter half of the weekend, chance for rain and snow. Stay tuned on that with temperatures cooling into the mid and upper 30s. So wrapping it up, if you have snow right now, a transition over to sleet and rain will occur. May get an additional inch or two in the northwest part of the state during the overnight hours, where western suburbs have picked up a foot of snow, and eastern areas, the amounts tend to taper down, especially out towards southeastern Mass. All right, you want to check in with actually Pete Mangione and Michelle, tag team weather on Tuesday morning with the follow-up on what's left of the storm. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.